Hi, my name is Noel Inder. I am in Tampa, Florida. I am attending the Drone Command live webinar. It has been really, really awesome. And this is what happened. I love aviation. I love engineering, and I have a collection of drones from the old drones you, which they built, which you could not have control over, which is like the Sky Viper. And I've gotten like two or three more from China just for the fun of it, not really anything serious. And then recently, I just got a DJI Air from a friend, and this was because my daughter called me one day, and she was like, "Hey, Dad, I'd love you to do a video of my land I'm trying to sell because she's a realtor." And it got me really fired up she because I didn't never got the time to do it, but eventually I was like considering. I was like, "Oh man, you know what? This is something I could do for her and get my feet wet." And I'd always been seeing online about the drone boss. And then one day I attended, the free webinar where they tell you what they're going to be talking about. They were talking about this main event, which is this weekend. And I got so excited because there's so much they were talking about they're going to teach. And so here I am. I've been learning a lot. Um, the drum boss and also Diego, they've been awesome, 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 funny, hilarious. It's just a blast from the beginning, and it's real facts. They talk about the truth. They tell you what to do and what not to do to get business, how to get customers, how to make your own banners, how to make your own logos. And this is invaluable information you cannot get anywhere for just a cheap, cheap price. It's not about the money for them. It is about educating and getting people into doing business. It's just like it's really giving back to the community because I know some other people charge more than that. I've seen things where I've tried to learn how to do business or entrepreneurship. It's just untouchable. And I just let me say this. I actually had registered to as a tech, which was, the cheaper version because I was like, oh, I don't have money, I don't want to invest. And on the day of checking in the day before, which was on Thursday, they were giving an option for a cheaper price, uh, just 250. You get to be a VIP, and then you get extra resources as a VIP, and you also get to talk to Diego one on one as is in VIP session. And oh, I love it. I do not regret because I know this information is critical for me. I've always wanted to be an entrepreneur or run my business, and I had no idea how to. But just hearing them, oh, even listening to other members of the Sky Network who have gone through the webinar, I've done very, very well, and I know that this is going to work for me. It's going to get me business. It's going to get me to another level. So for you who are listening and are thinking about it, you are not sure what if you should do it, I would say do it. It's worth the time and money because all this once you start getting in business, it's just like a drop in the ocean. All right. Thank you and God bless.